In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use credit in Google Ads. Promo credits, sometimes called promotional codes or coupons, help lower your advertising costs by applying a discount to your charges. If you've received a valid code, here's how to add it to your account so the credit can be applied to your future spend. First, open your Google Ads account in a web browser and sign in with the account that manages your billing. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop since the menus we'll use sit in the main navigation. Next, go to Billing. Depending on your layout, you'll find Billing in the left-hand menu or under the Tools icon. This area holds everything related to payments, statements, and credits. Within Billing, choose Promotions. This page shows all your promotions in one place, available offers, redeemed codes, and any terms attached to them, such as spend requirements or expiration dates. It's a helpful snapshot of what you have and what's already been applied. To add a new promo credit, click the plus icon. In some accounts, you may see a button that says, Enter a promotion code. It does the same thing. A small window will open asking for your code. Carefully type or paste your promotional code into the field. Double-check for extra spaces and make sure the characters match exactly. Many codes are time-limited or tied to specific countries, currencies, or account types, so accuracy matters. When you're ready, click Submit. Google Ads will validate the code and confirm whether it's eligible for your account. If the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message. If it isn't, the system will usually explain why. Common reasons include an expired offer, a code that was already used, or a promotion that requires a minimum spend before the credit appears. Review the fine print shown on the promotions page to understand any conditions. Once accepted, the credit is processed and added to your account balance. You don't need to do anything else. Google Ads automatically applies the credit toward your future charges until it's used up or expires. In some cases, it may take a short time for the balance to update, so don't worry if it isn't instant. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened Billing, selected Promotions, clicked the plus icon, entered your promotional code, and submitted it so the credit could be added to your balance. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.